The purpose of this video is to be able to, for you to draw examples of the Doppler effect and label what's going on. All right. I'm going to need an observer, and you can't see that. So you've got your observer. All right. All right, so we have an observer, and you need a wave. There, that sneeze. You need a wave source. In this case, we'll say it's a fire truck. Okay? As it moves towards the frequency is going to go up and the wavelength are going to go down. And as it's moving away, the frequency will go down and the wavelength will increase. So once again, as it moves, a wave source moves towards, you're going to draw that it's moving. There's the arrow. It's moving towards. The frequency is going to go up. Wavelength is going to go down. And it moves away. The frequency goes down and the wavelength goes